The app that we will be talking about benefits many students worldwide. Khan Academy is an app that helps students achieve their understanding of any subject or course that they find difficult. Khan Academy offers practice exercises, instructional videos, and a personalized learning dashboard that empower learners to study at their own pace in and outside of the classroom.
How to use the app? Khan Academy is a free app available in both Android and iPhone. Once you've downloaded the app, you're going to click on the app. The first thing you're going to do is sign in. You're going to sign in with an email address and a password. It will automatically give you a username. Once you've signed in, it's going to show you a dashboard below, which shows you an Explore page, a search page, and a bookmark page. The Explore page, which is the home page, shows everything you need to know and the list of subjects, such as math, science, economics, test prep, and also TED Talks and interviews. For instance, we're going to click on science. In the science tab, you're going to find physics, chemistry, biology, everything related to science. For instance, biology, it shows you an intro and it gives you other lessons that you need to know about biology. Once you click on the lesson you want to know about or read about, it's going to offer you a video, an article, and practices. For instance, we're going to click on hydrogen bonding in water. Once you click the first tab, it's going to transfer you to a video.
Think of the cells in your body, the cytoplasm inside of your cells. That is mainly water. In fact, me, who is talking to you right now, I am 60 to...
The video is very helpful. It serves as a personal tutor for you at your own home. It also shows related videos right below it, related to the lesson. You can also read an article instead of watching the video to give you a more deeper understanding. It also provides figures for you to understand. And as you go down, you find everything you need to know. You can also quiz yourself and continue practicing. If you're looking for something in specific, you click on the search button right below, which is right next to the Explore button, and you type in the lesson that you need help with. For instance, I need help with limits, which is math. It's going to give you a list of results related to limits. I need help with limits at infinity. Once I've clicked on the topic that I need help with, or the chapter or the lesson that I need help with, it's going to give me a list of intros and how to estimate and so on. It's going to also quiz. Once it shows you about the intro, it's going to explain the intro. If you want to save the video, you click on the button right above on the right side, which is automatically saved in the bookmark page right over here. It is downloaded automatically. You can watch the video with or without Wi-Fi. Any video that you need is automatically saved by clicking on the button right on the right tab above.
And let's say that even if this was a function definition,
You can also read the article on how to solve limits, and it shows you graphs. You can also try a practice test, which helps you earn points so to know how you understand the lesson a bit better. It's going to give you a question, and it's going to tell you to answer by choosing an answer. For instance, we're going to say, if it's incorrect, it's going to tell you to try again, or you can skip for now. Once you've did a good work, it's going to take you to the next question. After you finish answering these questions, or if you need any help or stuck with a question, you click on this green tab with the light bulb, and it's going to give you a hint. It's going to ask you twice to use the hint. It's going to explain how to solve the first part of the equation. You get 3 hints in total to understand how to solve it. After solving, you're going to earn energy points. Energy points just show how much you understand the chapter or the lesson that you need help with. After you finish learning about the whole section or the whole chapter, you can quiz yourself. Once you start the quiz, you answer a list of questions. The quiz shows you what's included, such as limits, the intro, one-sided limits, and so on. You start the quiz and it also gives you 7 problems to solve.
So, based on multiple studies, people who study on Khan Academy achieve a greater than expected learning outcomes. Also, students who use the app for SAT practices see many improvements in their SAT scores. Also, many top universities, including Stanford, Princeton, Yale, UC Berkeley, MIT, and Harvard, use Khan Academy. Khan Academy also provides you with a YouTube channel and a website for any student that needs help in achieving their more understanding of any course they need.